Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 16 plate 218D M Sport Coupe, presented in the 3-stage pearl white. Alongside that fantastic exterior colour, the vehicle has a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. The alloy wheels are the original 18-inch M Sport alloys, presented in BMW Ferric Grey. At the front you can see one of the vehicle's options in the form of the Angel and Xenon headlamps. Again, trying to show off that fantastic 3-stage pearl white is very difficult. You can slightly see it there underneath these showroom lights, and throughout the video I try and highlight that as best as possible. Down the side of the car you can see the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. The car also has BMW sun protection glazing on the rear windows and has one of my personal favourite interiors for the 2 and 1 series range in the form of the half Alcantara half cloth M highlight seats. As you can see there, the M tricolours and blue stitching throughout. It's a 6-speed manual vehicle. Also comes with a very spacious 2-seat isofix rear bench, as you can see there. Central storage tray and a darkened M Sport headlining, of course. And we shall go around, take a look at the back of the car, and again show you off those fantastic alloys and that wonderful colour. At the back of this 218D, we've opted to go for both the high gloss rear spoiler and the matching rear diffuser. If you've not yet seen in a boot of a 2 series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as it is a very large area considering the size of the vehicle, and it also does come with split folding seats to give you that little bit more room. Around at the driver's side, where hopefully this will be our best shot at giving you a look at that fantastic 3-stage pearl white. As you can see there, it gives a really nice pearlescent look to this paint. And we shall hop on board and just run yourself through a couple of this vehicle's major talking points and features, beginning with the BMW business navigation and media. I'll also start the car up, beginning with the sat-nav, which is a really user-friendly system, which is of course always a key point to any sat-nav, how easy it is to use. We've got Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, as you can see there, and a good amount of multimedia inputs, including USB, AUX, and of course we've already mentioned the Bluetooth audio. Back at the main menu, in just a few seconds we'll go through and show you the service requirements. The car has covered just over 73,000 miles. Hopefully throughout the video, however, you've seen it's in great condition, and you can't blame the previous owner for taking such great care of it when they've opted to go for a fantastic colour such as the 3-stage pearl white. As you can see, it's not due an engine oil service for 19,000 miles time, and the rest of the service requirements are all in green also. So there is a look around another fantastic looking 218D M Sport here at Your Next Car. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you would like to get in touch about some more information on this car, or even just look at some prices and funding options, you can do so on our website, which is always linked down below. Thank you very much guys, take care, see you soon, bye bye.